But never did it cross my mind that I would be suffering from an invisible wound.
Roy Torres' battle has been a long one. A DPS trooper who served in the Army Reserve, whose lung and brain injuries he traces to those massive burn pits in Iraq back in 2008.
I signed 2 blank checks, one for this state, one for this nation. And I would expect the same in return.
He told our Jason Whiteley in our Yolitics podcast that part of the struggle was getting his DPS job back, asking DPS to offer him a different position, taking his lung injuries into account. DPS refused, so he sued in Texas state court. That's the case that went to the Supreme Court on Tuesday, whether a private individual can sue his state employer in state court for violating a federal law.
They shouldn't put a price tag on that.
At the same time in Washington, D.C.,
and these guys are going to get it done.
Activist and comedian Jon Stewart, members of Congress, and the family members of service members who died from burn pit-related injuries vowed to continue pushing for the Honoring Our Pact Act, hundreds of millions of dollars in funding for VA treatments. It's passed the House and the Senate is next. As for Roy Torres, who created the Burn Pits 360 registry to track more than 31,000 veterans who claim burn pit-related injuries, he vows to keep fighting.
I believe if the good Lord gives me life, that I'm going to continue to push, not only for myself, but also advocate for the thousands that have been affected.
And his eventual Supreme Court decision could affect thousands of veterans too. In Dallas, I'm Kevin Reese.